be seeing you today.
Okay.
Come and have a seat. Okay, tell me, what brought you here today?
Got a bad cough.
Okay, and how long has that been going on?
About 3 weeks.
Mr. Peters, would you like to have a seat on the couch? I'll just go and wash my hands. Okay, let me just have a look at your chest now. Let me have a look at your hands. And this one. Okay. Now, Mr. Peters, what I'd like you to do is to look up at the ceiling. I'm just going to lower your eyelids. Thank you. And now stick out your tongue. Thank you. Now I'm going to feel your back. If any area is tender or painful, let me know. How is that? Okay. I'm also going to tap down your spine. If any spot is tender or painful, let me know. How is that?
It's alright?
Any pain?
No.
Good. Thank you. I'm just going to feel for your windpipe. Thank you. I'm just going to feel the neck. Just shrug your shoulders slightly up. Thank you, like that. Thank you. And relax now. Just going to feel your chest. You should actually lean forward like that. Fine, thank you. What I'd like you to do is take deep breaths. I'm going to tell you. Okay, deep breath in and out. And again. And out. Once more. Now what I'd like you to do is to say out loud 99, 99, 99. Okay?
99, 99, 99. 99, 99, 99. 99, 99, 99.
And once more.
99, 99, 99.
Now lift up your arms for me. Hold them there. And again.
99, 99, 99.
Thank you. Put them down now. And the same.
99, 99, 99. 99, 99, 99.
Once more.
99, 99, 99.
Thank you. I'm just going to tap on your chest. What I'd like you to do is to put your hands behind your neck. That's fine, thank you. Thank you. You can put them down now. Mr. Peters, what I'd like you to do now is to take a deep breath, let it out completely, and then hold your breath for a few moments. Okay, deep breath in now, and out, and just hold your breath. Thank you. Now I'd like you to do the same now. Take a deep breath, and then hold it in for a few moments until I tell you so. Deep breath in and hold it in for me. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Deep breath in and out and hold it when you have breathed out for me, yeah? Deep breath in and out. And then don't breathe for a moment. And again, now deep breath in and then hold it in. What I'm going to do is listen to your chest, but what I'd like you to do is to breathe in through your mouth, nice and gently. Okay, deep breath in. Would you like to put your hands behind your neck again? Thank you. And again, breathe in. Thank you. Now look the other way for me. And again, if at any stage you get dizzy, let me know. Thank you.